Good day, sir and ma'am. I'm Jomalyn G. Aquino, 26 years old, single. My father occupation is farmer and my mother is housewife. I have two brothers and one sister. I'm from Cebu, city of Ilagan, Isabela. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am undergraduate. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, take care of the baby. I work as domestic helper at Lebanon for 4 years and 6 months. I have served for member of the family, 2 adults and 2 children. My experience with my precious employer is very good. My main duties is take care of the 2 children and cooking their food and cleaning the house. I can operate washing machine, stove, oven, and iron. If you have a newborn baby, I can manage to take care of the baby. If the child is very naughty, I will be patient to the children, ma'am, sir. To my future employer, sir, madam, if you hire me, I will do my best to serve your family as my family too, and I will follow all your regulation and responsibility as your gift to me. Thank you, sir, ma'am. God bless.